You're about to find out which breakfast foods have the strongest research behind them, and a few might surprise you. Quick question before we start. How many of these are already part of your morning? Drop the number in the comments. I'm curious how close we get to the full 15. Let's get into it. Number 15. Bananas. Bananas are an easy one to overlook, but the research on potassium is worth paying attention to. Higher potassium intake is associated with healthier blood pressure levels, according to research summarized by the NIH. Bananas also pair natural sugars with fiber, which can support a steadier release of energy compared to refined sugar alone. Slightly underripe bananas contain resistant starch, a type of fiber that may help feed beneficial gut bacteria. Number 14. Plain kefir. Kefir is a fermented dairy drink with a wide range of probiotic strains. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked in research to better digestion and immune function. The fermentation process also breaks down much of the lactose, which is why some people who are lactose intolerant tolerate kefir better than regular milk. As always, individual tolerance varies, so it's worth starting with a small amount. Number 13. Eggs. Eggs spent decades with a reputation problem. For most healthy people, research now shows dietary cholesterol has a smaller effect on blood cholesterol than scientists once believed, according to Harvard Health. Eggs provide a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, along with choline, a nutrient many people don't get enough of, and one that supports brain and nerve function. People with certain conditions like familial hypercholesterolemia may still need to manage egg intake. That's a conversation for your doctor. Number 12. Wild-caught salmon. Salmon is one of the best dietary sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. The American Heart Association notes that regular omega-3 intake is associated with cardiovascular benefits. These fats also play a structural role in brain cell membranes. If salmon isn't accessible or affordable, canned salmon or sardines offer a similar profile. Number 11. Walnuts. A small handful of walnuts provides ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that your body partially converts into the same fatty acids found in fish. Large observational studies, including ones published via Harvard's School of Public Health, have associated regular nut consumption with lower rates of certain chronic diseases. Nuts are calorie-dense, so portion awareness matters here. If you're finding this useful so far, consider subscribing. We break down nutrition research like this every week, with sources you can actually check. Number 10. Plain Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt is unusually protein-dense for its calorie count. Pairing protein with carbohydrates at breakfast may help moderate post-meal blood sugar spikes, according to research on meal composition and glycemic response. Flavored versions often carry significant added sugar, so plain is the better default, with fruit added yourself. Number 9. Chia seeds. Chia seeds absorb many times their weight in liquid, forming a gel that can slow digestion and support feelings of fullness. They're also a notable plant source of fiber, calcium, and omega-3 ALA. 2 tablespoons is a reasonable daily amount to start with. Number 8. Cinnamon. Some research suggests cinnamon compounds may support insulin sensitivity and modestly influence blood sugar response, though results across studies are mixed and effects are generally small. If you're using cinnamon regularly, Ceylon cinnamon is worth seeking out. It contains far less coumarin than the common cassia variety, and high coumarin intake over time has been associated with liver concerns in some research. Number 7. Avocado. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, the same type found in olive oil, which research associates with healthier cholesterol profiles. They also contain potassium and magnesium, both involved in blood pressure regulation. Avocados are calorie-dense, so a serving is typically a quarter to a half of the fruit, not the whole thing. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins, a class of antioxidant compounds, along with L-theanine, an amino acid associated with calmer, more sustained alertness compared to coffee alone. Matcha, made from the whole leaf, provides a more concentrated dose of these compounds. You're halfway through the list. Stick around, because the data behind a couple of these last few foods is some of the most well-established in nutrition research. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are high in anthocyanins, compounds that researchers have studied for their potential role in brain health. Some longitudinal studies following older adults have found associations between higher berry intake and slower rates of cognitive decline. Though this research is observational and doesn't prove cause and effect. Frozen blueberries retain similar nutrient levels to fresh. Number 4. Beetroot. Beets are one of the highest dietary sources of nitrates, which the body can convert into nitric oxide, a compound involved in blood vessel relaxation. This is part of why beetroot juice has been studied in athletic performance research. If you have low blood pressure or take blood pressure medication, it's worth discussing beet intake with your doctor. Number 3. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese offers one of the highest protein-to-calorie ratios of any common food, along with calcium for bone health. It contains casein, a slower-digesting protein that may support fullness for longer than faster-digesting proteins. Note that standard cottage cheese is relatively high in sodium, so those managing blood pressure may want to look for lower sodium versions. Number 2. Raw sauerkraut. Raw, unpasteurized sauerkraut contains live bacterial cultures that may support gut microbiome diversity. Pasteurization, which some store-bought versions undergo, kills these live cultures, so checking the label for raw or unpasteurized matters if this is your goal. It's also worth noting sauerkraut is high in sodium, which is a consideration for anyone monitoring intake. Number 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is central to the Mediterranean diet, one of the most extensively studied dietary patterns in nutrition science. Long-term cohort studies have associated higher olive oil intake with lower rates of cardiovascular disease and overall mortality. The polyphenol content, partly responsible for its slightly peppery taste, is thought to play a role in these benefits. Refined olive oils lose much of this polyphenol content during processing, so extra virgin is the version the research is mostly based on. That's the list. 15 foods with real research behind them, not hype. None of these are magic, and no single food replaces an overall healthy pattern of eating. But small, consistent choices like these are something nutrition science actually does support over time. Which of these are already part of your routine, and which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more breakdowns like this, grounded in actual research rather than trends, subscribe. We publish one of these every week.